We will very briefly cover irregular French commands in this lesson. There are 4 verbs with uniquely irregular commands under the imperative mood. Avoir, est, ayons, ayez. Être, soit, soyons, soyez. Savoir, sache, sachons, sachez. Vouloir, veuillez, veuillons, veuillez. Now these irregular commands, the majority of them are based on the present subjunctive, but savoir and vouloir have different present subjunctive conjugations in the nu and vous form compared to their commands. When looking at the present subjunctive, you'll notice that under the nu and vous forms, savoir and vouloir have slightly different conjugations compared to their command forms. All other irregular commands will be based on the same irregularities that they have in the present tense tu, nu, and vous forms. And present tense tu forms ending in es will remove the s to form the tu command. The verb aller also removes the s from its present tense tu form va to form the tu command va without the s. And here is a side-by-side comparison of the command forms and present subjunctive forms of these 4 verbs. So that pretty much covers irregular French verb commands under the imperative mood. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a French speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.